You probably think you're a good, law-abiding person, right? But what if I told you you might be breaking the law every single day without even realizing it? I'm talking about normal, everyday stuff that feels completely harmless, but in some places, it's actually illegal. Let's go through some of the craziest ones, and I guarantee at least one of these will blow your mind. 1. Using someone else's Wi-Fi. You're at a friend's place. Your phone connects to their Wi-Fi automatically. No big deal, right? Well, in many countries, using someone's Wi-Fi without their permission is technically unauthorized access. Yep, it's considered the same as hacking into their network. Even if you didn't steal anything or mean harm, you're still breaking a computer law. Crazy, right? The law doesn't care if you just needed to check Instagram. 2. Downloading movies or songs for free. We've all done it at some point. Downloading a movie, song, or ebook from a sketchy site because it's just one time. But here's the thing, that's illegal almost everywhere. It doesn't matter if you're not selling it or making money off it. Downloading copyrighted stuff without permission is still breaking the law. And yes, people have been fined thousands for a single movie download. Streaming sites and torrenting might feel harmless, but legally, it's not. 3. Recording people without their permission. Ever secretly recorded a funny moment or maybe an argument just to show your friends later? Well, if the person didn't know you were recording, that could be illegal. In a lot of countries, you can't record someone in a private place without their consent. Even if it's not for social media, even if you never post it, it can still count as invading privacy. So, next time you hit record, make sure everyone's cool with it. 4. Reposting someone else's picture or video. Let's be honest, we've all taken a cool meme, picture, or video and reposted it like it's ours. But guess what? That's technically copyright theft. Even screenshots or re-uploads count. It might not feel like a crime, but the creator owns that content, and using it without credit or permission can actually get you into trouble. So, yeah, always give credit, or better, make your own stuff. 5. Selling something you don't actually own yet. You ever list something for sale online before you've actually bought it? Like concert tickets or a pre-order item. That might sound smart, but it can actually count as fraud. Even if you plan to buy it later, the moment you advertise something you don't own, you're technically misleading buyers. And that's illegal in most places. So, yeah, maybe wait until the item's actually in your hands first. 6. Using cracked or pirated software. You know those free versions of Photoshop or Windows or games that come with a special crack? Yep, those are illegal too. You're basically using stolen software. And beyond that, cracked apps are loaded with malware and spyware that can steal your data. So, not only is it illegal, it's also like inviting a hacker into your laptop. 7. Jaywalking or ignoring small traffic rules. This one's funny because almost everyone does it. Crossing the street when there's no signal, using your phone while driving for directions, tinting your car windows, a little too dark. All these can be illegal depending on where you live. And no, but everyone does it won't save you from a fine. It's the kind of law people forget exists until the cop pulls you over. 8. Using random photos for thumbnails or ads. If you've ever made a YouTube thumbnail or an ad using a photo you just grabbed from Google, that's technically illegal too. Those images belong to someone, and using them without permission, especially for something that makes money, can get you copyright strikes or even sued. Best fix: use royalty-free photos or take your own pictures. 9. Sharing your Netflix or Spotify password. I know this one hurts, but yes, sharing your streaming passwords is technically against the company's terms of service, and in some places it's even considered unauthorized access. Netflix already started cracking down on password sharing, and others are following, so enjoy it while it lasts. But legally, it's a grey zone. 10. collecting people's info without permission. If you've ever run a school project, a small business, or even a mailing list, and you collect names or emails without asking first, that's illegal, under privacy laws like GDPR. Even something simple like storing customer info without their OK can cause legal problems. It sounds harmless, but the internet takes privacy very seriously these days. 11. Using music or clips in your videos without credit. If you're a content creator, listen closely. Using a song or a movie clip in your video without permission, even a few seconds, can be illegal. Platforms like YouTube are packed with copyright bots that can strike or take down your entire channel for it. Always use royalty-free tracks or music libraries that give you the right to use it. 12. Reading someone else's messages or emails. Ever picked up someone's phone just to check something and ended up reading their messages? That's actually considered unauthorized access in some places. Even if it's your partner, friend, or family, opening someone's private messages without their consent can technically be a crime. Might be time to keep those curious fingers away from other people's phones. The truth is, you've probably broken a law today. Here's the wild part. Most people watching this have probably done at least one of these things, maybe even today. It's not that you're a criminal, it's that the world's full of tiny, invisible laws most of us don't even know exist. But being aware of them helps you stay safe, smart, and one step ahead. So now I've got to ask, which one of these surprised you the most? Comment it below because I'm betting everyone has done at least one of these. If you learned something new, drop a like. It helps more people find this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening real-world facts like this every week. Stay smart, stay curious, and hey, maybe try to stay legal.